Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento, practically any generation, any year guys, and that could be 4 or 6 cylinder engine, and you hear an engine rattle noise on cold starts. Let's say you didn't drive the car for a day, you start it, you hear rattle noise for 1 or 2 seconds and then goes away. Then you start the car and it's perfectly fine. A few seconds after that you start the car, no noise. Then you let it sit for a few hours and it rattles and you hear that noise again for a couple of seconds. Stay with us, we will explain what can cause that. And if you don't fix it on time guys, you can say bye bye to your engine and you may need your engine rebuilt or a new engine. So never ignore noises guys, that's number one thing. With the engine being out, we can clearly show you how to fix that, what to fix. You don't need to remove your engine for that repair. We simply have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars, and with the engine being out we can clearly show you how to do that. So as we said, that should work on most generation Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys. Before we start, let me tell you, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So with that being said, let's explain how we're going to do that now. So looking at it guys, right here what we did, we removed the valve cover, oil pan, we removed the timing cover, all that guys is right here. You can see timing cover, valve cover, oil pan. And the device guys that's actually causing that rattle noise, it's right here. That's known as a timing chain tensioner guys. Now you have two of them. One is for the main chain that goes from the crankshaft all the way to the camshafts, and then you have one that is on the oil pump and the balance shaft right here. That's the other one. This one usually guys doesn't cause so much trouble. This one you ignore it most of the times. What causes that rattle and noise guys, it's that tensioner right here. And why? Because it's hydraulic tensioner. It's controlled by oil pressure. So when you start the car, oil pressure will build up, and it's going to extend that timing chain tensioner. So you have you have certain amount of pressure on the timing chain, so you don't have slack. But check it out now, we have actually quite a bit of slack here. What's happening here guys, you have one tooth. When you turn the car off, that tooth is supposed to hold the timing chain tensioner at that certain position so it doesn't go back. When that tooth wears out here, or the tooth fails, what can easily happen at that point, when the oil pressure decreases, when you turn your car off and let it sit for a while, that timing chain tensioner will go back. Will go back, and as a result, when you start it and you have a cold start, what will happen then guys, it will take 1 or 2 seconds to build oil pressure and kick that tensioner out again. So that's what's causing it, failing timing chain tensioner, and that tooth guys malfunctioning as well. And now right here I will go ahead, I'll go ahead and demonstrate. I'll try to demonstrate what will happen, when that tooth fails, and you will have an idea. So let me get somebody just to hold the camera quick, right here, and I will show you guys. So that tooth, if it's released, it's the same like it failed. So right now, check it out now. Like if there is no oil pressure, that timing chain tensioner will go back. Check it out. It's not supposed to do that. That will cause rattle noise. You can see loose chain to the point that you can easily jump the timing chain. It's supposed to stay like that. Let me get the slack out of it. Like oil pressure got the slack out of it, and it doesn't go back more than half a tooth maybe. And when that happens, you can easily jump the timing chain, bend valves, you can destroy your engine. So you hear that noise, you need to install new timing chain tensioner, and in my opinion, it's time to replace the whole timing chain system, including timing chain, tensioner, pulleys guys, so make sure you get everything right. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching and see you next time.